We're now going to return back to sub-recipes and go over how to create a by the pound or custom meal builder option. So we're first going to start with by the pound. So let's start with grilled chicken. If this is an option that you offer by the pound, you're going to scroll down to the by the pound section. Please note that by the pound is an additional ordering module. If it is not included in your plan, you can always purchase it for an additional $75 a month. To get started, you're going to toggle on that this is an option. You are then going to enter what the price per pound is. For this circumstance, we'll say that a pound of chicken, grilled chicken, is $11. Finally, you have to enter the measurement. Since this is ounces, we need to calculate how many ounces equals a pound. In this circumstance, the answer is 16. Once we've completed this, we hit save. We're going to now utilize the same thing with jasmine rice. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to enter this as an option. We're going to enter the price. So for example, 7 pounds. And we're going to calculate that it takes roughly 2 cups of this item to measure 1 pound. And this will multiply the recipe in order to give the accurate nutritional data to customers, as well as on the labels, so they know exactly what they're getting when they order 1 pound of this ingredient.